Kublai pi baro ki bapet yakini ko kubor upet ngo cable news. Kimat makong san menta kata yo kilong. Rai ka kan hun menteri ban penjalan sa kahendro pausnam ya kejing aiwa ya kijaka sorka. Amla khang yanu ban penyeso sa kanu kaseng san pertai. Ong ba Charles Springro. Grand Shai Dr. Mukul Sangma badali lay un omlet paisho sa kaseng Congress. Aipor ke HPC sa shis pasni bantai pendep ya kayeng dobar thawan bathmai hamau tiang. Shongs ir ki pat ba ki shnong khapur na kajing wantur ki hati klau ban penjulor ya ki marem. Penbana ke NPP ya ki lai poplangut ki kertong banyak kun election MDC na KHADC ban JHADC. Bat kajing bom pendam ya ki kambalat hakatanat pulen galak ban wanra ya kajing ma hakajalla ong Dr. Mukul Sangma. Kajing alang jom kakan hun menteri kabalai kenduk hakalak sengi ublai jom katayo kalasem ya karai ban ajing menjur ya kajing terwa ban penjalan ya kapor aiwai ya ki jakat sorkar syaka hendrio posnem kanang ban kering ya ki projek kampenroi hakajalla.
Menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai bad unong aiktian ke sorkar jela ba apoleng do abe keren bikirang patai kubor adin melawai ke jingelang jengka kedun menteri urito ba sorkar kala menjur ban penjela de kapor aiwai ya kijaka sorkar ban krengi project bede baki kampen roy ulong ba jela kedon ya kamat trikam ba kapor aiwai kijaka sorkar shikinok chimwai kalong lai posnam dari da kejingi ya kejing don kam ba kejingwan kejing terwa ya kejing ken show kam ke bahaya project ke bahaya tentang sorkar kelas ngaudai ban penjelan no ya kapor ban aiwai. Ulong bakatna revenue and disaster management kelawan rakyat kejing terwa ban penkela ban penjelan ya kapor aiwai ya kijaka sorkar na kalai posnem syaka hendro posnem. Barka sorkar ka kermen bakan ikan penselur bat kering ya ki briau ki buan beitengka. Bakin wan ban bu iki project bede baki kampen roy boper aga jelam megalaya. Uba poleng do ulong bagi sorkar kelasiem yang kini karai kerana mar bagi kuat dengan rakyat kerukam perkat keban penselur giru shimet bat gibriel kiba wan rakyat kikam kijam bakin wan aga jelam megalaya.
Create an environment which facilitates and encourages private parties and investors to invest in Meghalaya. Now, as per the existing policy in our government land, the permissible lease period is 30 years. But in a lot of emerging, in the emerging scene, what is happening is that the ROI, the return on investment, is a very critical component of any investment plan. So a lot of investors consider this period of 30 years to be too less. For instance, in, say, the Orchid Polo, which will now come under this joint venture mode, the investment plan would be not less than 300 crores, which is why we needed to have a rational lease period which would encourage players to come forward and participate. With that in mind, we have extended the window to make it feasible for large-scale projects to have from 30 years to a period of 60 years. It will be renewable after every 30 years to 60 years and renewable by another 30 years. For each of these proposals, they will come before the cabinet for final approval, each of the proposals. The important factor that you have to keep in mind is that the investment plan is huge. For instance, the Orchid Polo, the entire structure, the proposal is that the entire structure will be dismantled, and whoever takes up that project will have to start from scratch. And therefore, if you invest 300 to 400 crores and you get a lease period of 30 years, there will be no takers. So it has to be rationalized that way.
Kakenhuan Menteri kala ajing menjuruk bantung yau officer jang ke Meghalaya Agriculture Service. Bala syong thaj nakakam uba makbul lingdok suyam kumu Chief Administrative Officer ka Meghalaya Natural and Organic Farming Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture nek MNOF SLIA nak bentalai senam. Kakanun Menteri kala menjeruk bantung yo Registrar kam Secretary ka Meghalaya State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission. Uli tu banagi ar nelai teligi kerteng bat kum kejing ajing mod jengkat tenat keberai kemi. Kakanun Menteri kala menjeruk bantung ya ikong Suzana Direchong.
See, this is in this case, it is part of the policy of the Agriculture Department that in order to encourage this value chain development, you need to have such a board, and we have duly recommended an officer who's well qualified to handle the position. What the department has done is that it has shortlisted a few names, and amongst these names, the one found most suitable was that of Mr. Soyan. We have sought the views of various departments, including Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Law and Finance Department.
Menteri Katanat Tourism uba polling do hakala asking ublay jong katayo ula pente bayaki kapto kat ni kijaka jungok ka ki badon hakajala Meghalaya ang sapenya so yaki daki helikopter ban pensuk yakalet kawan jong kinong jungok kai.
Habai keren bikinong patai kubor uba polling do ula ong bagajala kadon kakerdan kapas sedang hakaban penyeso ka Meghalaya dagi jing syakri ki helikopter nakabenta ban let banwan kinong jungok kai. Ki jaka jungokai ki bapnesot ki helikopter ki kentut ka seora dauki New Shillong Township bat kepung Umyam lengba kakak lingsun Shillong Umroi Airport. Uba poleng do uli tu ru baki helikopter ken her lengba kakak lingsun Guwahati Assam syakakat lingsun ke bah Umroi. Kaban kit ikinong jungokai perthai syaki jaka beper jeng jela Meghalaya. Bagi sarkar kan cimru iki senjam ban penbha gilat penyesok deki surau.
This Sky Scanner, which is a renowned brand, has done a survey and found out that Shillong is the most preferred destination by Indian tourists in 2025. So that itself is a major growth story for Meghalaya. I mean, in the past many years, we have not been able to get that kind of a recognition. And this time around, with us having successfully been able to sell brand Meghalaya as the ultimate tourism destination, you will see that even under that SASKI, Meghalaya has got the lion's share. 199 crores for 2 projects is not a matter of joke. This year we've already crossed 15 lakhs, and 50 will be next year.
What is your target?
Out of 10 preferred destinations, Shillong has reached number 1, meaning that by 2025, the increase of footfalls would be not less than 60%. One is where the road connectivity is still in a bad condition. We would improve those. But 2, we are concentrating more on the tourism circuits. Circuits which now will be, there is already a proposal to also connect these circuits by air. For instance, there is a proposal, we are in the initial stage, where we would connect Meghalaya with helicopter services exclusively for movement of tourists. We will start with Guwahati to Shillong, meaning Umroi Airport, then Umyam, then Seora, Dauki, New Shillong. These will form part of that tourism circuit. But the other areas, for instance, Mawsynram, where we are developing the Rain Museum, that will need more investment in the road network.
Uba poleng do uba kemi ekatanat social welfare ula penting bag sarkar jela kalabo ekatong bachna sa khatsan teli ki rehabilitation center jong sarkar hapo kasnam arajar arpusan. Ulong manalor kini ki rehabilitation center ke sarkar jela kalala ban bepisa ya ki rehabilitation center ki bela penyat di balang bat ki shimet ban an senang penbo ni ke jingdon kini ki center. Ulong bagidang bishar ke jing terwa bandan lakum no kumno sakat santli ki center hapok senam arajar arpusan. Baru leto bahadu mentah ke sarkar jela kala bai pisaru ya kandai tli ki center ki balong trai bat penyat ki riu shimet ha ke jela. Haga bede bagajeng yap ki argut ki samla ke jela ha ki rehabilitation center ha Assam. Ba poleng do ulong bagi ledap thok ke sarkar Assam bat pa ne ka kai phot halor ke ne ke benta.
Presiden Keseng All India Trinamool Congress AITC Meghalaya uba Charles Pingrop hat majai jong katayo ula krenda kabasai ba amla ban khang yanu ru ki bakwa ban mi no na Keseng bat kane ke jing kren jong u kadai halor ke jing mi no jong kinoya lambat nong kershan ke AITC na nong thamai constituency ki belale ban penyaso Shakaseng Congress.
Hadian balmi ke kubor bala kliap lamano ke TMC hanong thamai constituency. Uba Charles Pengrop presiden ke TMC ubalong ru MLA ke TMC nanong thamai hagalai tarik uno pra arajar arpusau ulong ba anamla ban khang ya noyo ru lari ki kwa ban eno ya Keseng. La ban kreu hang ne ba ka arp kandai tarik unai wieng arajar arpusau kinong elam ke TMC nanong thamai kilamino na Keseng TMC balit peneso ka kongres. Habakran lor ke jing peneso jong u Shakaseng Kongres uba Charles Pengrop ulong bahadu menta umpat yo kanu ke jing akran na kanu Keseng san perthai kenthop na ka Kongres. Haga bede ke Kongres uba Charles Pengrop ulong ba Keseng Kongres kedan kam bendan ke jing trilang bat ban bot ki kendon trekam jong Keseng. Namar ke Kongres kam diga liang ke belajar ngam degadan kam kapten uba bha ubala menyalam. Habakli halor ke jing long nong yalam uba Vincent H Pala. Ba Charles Pengrop ulong ba umdai wei ban bisyare kata. Mereka Kongres kadai ban buat ki kendon trekam. Bat wat ki kendon banjit presiden ru ha kebakim shimla bot. Ulong belada bot ki kendon baro ki baro kiniat bet ja renti. Halor ka rehabilitation center uba Charles Pengrop ulong bagane kedai kamat ke baje kran ki yang dorbar. Bat usngo bak sarkar kladi ban shnano yaki rehabilitation center haman lagi district. Bat omde macania ke jeng sumar tang haki rehabilitation center jeng kiru shimet. Halor ke jing syarem ke kertong TMC haki election steng samoy nagam begre. Uba Charles Pengrop ulong belada pai syakapor ke belalet ru Keseng ke badan hakabor ke bajiyo ke jing job bat ke TMC ke le kunteng Andre Kim shimla job te amla ban le AA. Halor ke VIP culture uba Charles Pengrop ulong ba kershan nekani. Badus ngoba omdai bandan ki VIP. Ndrai tang ha Shillong ne Meghalaya, ndrai hapar ko ka riru. Omdai ban ai mensia meka VIP culture. Namar ki pat ba kidi ki VIP kinong yalam. Namar kinong yalam kidai tang kinong tray jong ki pat ba.
Can you confirm that, sir? No, I have not been contacted officially by anybody, whether it's Congress or the NPP or the BBP. No one has contacted me officially or the BJP.
But sir, like to be open, what's your mind? Are you looking to join? If yes, why when? If no, then
At the moment, I have not given that a thought because I'm still the president of the TMC. At the moment, I'm alone. The last samurai standing.
Since your supporters have gone, you are alone, as you have said. So,
You know, former member of parliament, late Ripple India, very senior man, very loved and respected and well, held many positions in the political arena. He said in 2008, Charles is a one-man army. See, it is, if we go through precedents, it is always the party which is in the ruling that has the edge. I won't say they normally win, but always has the edge. In this case, that principle has been followed.
So when we look at the results right now, you have been you have easily beaten NP, TMC and Congress would have you already have got the majority. So wasn't there any thought that you were mentioning at the pulse of the people that TNCP have been this, but we could have approached Congress to work together?
See, in politics, there's no ifs and buts. Let me put it that way. As simple as that. You cannot say that if they had done that, they would have won. I'm saying if they had done that, also, what guarantee would that they would have won? So there's no ifs and buts, and there's no postmortem. They all fought hard, and the winner took it all. But reason being, I mean, like I said, the ruling party always has an edge. But you cannot take that away from them. It's not their fault that they have the edge.
Unong yalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ubalong ru unong yalam ke All India Trinamool Congress AITC Meghalaya hakasi balang jong katayaw ulong baun omlet pashu sakaseng Congress but ulong ru bakajing ram ke kertong kaseng haki election siteng samoy na Gambegre constituency kadai namar bala pendan kam dakabor sorkar banjob yaki election.
Dr. Mukul Sangma ubulong nong yalam keseng TMC. Abakran nikelak petai kubor aka sautrek una opera arajar arpusau ulakran syai badan lele ru on omlet pai syo sya keseng kongres. Da kebakado baka kongres menta kamya syo akalimti kebedai. Dr. Mukul M Sangma ula buat da kejingkeli babalai unit pai biang sya ke kongres. Haba kini kejuk keseng san pertai ke Trilang bat keseng NPP haka KHDC. Kami yalam ke sarkar jelaru. Ula benrap bun pun kut no iki kana ham saya bu Dr. Mukul M Sangma una benit pai biang ke kongres. Namar bu don kanong rim ke baskem. Ba ai kejing syakri pat ba kejing ula ong bakan kentir ke jela. Kumta unam tre asyo benit ke kongres. Ula ong ru bu umdan kami ke kongres ban ai kejing syakri pat ba namar bu ula sedang marway haka kamsan pertai kumu kertong klemseng. Halur kejing syarem ke kertong ke TMC hagam Begre constituency. Dr. Mukul M Sangma ulang bakladan kejing pendan kam ya kebor sarkar banjab akini ke constituency da ke basami di skim ki baharukom haswa banlong ka election.
Now, the present dispensation has not been able to do that. Has not been able to do that, irrespective of their all rhetorics. My view is my view. People have right to have different opinion, but my opinion is that I am fighting against this dispensation. I am fighting against this dispensation with the kind of trust and faith that I have on the people of the state. I am not referring to only people of Garwitz. I am talking about the people of the state. Because the state belongs to everyone. The state doesn't belong to only one particular community. The state belongs to Khasis, the state belongs to Zaintias, the state belongs to Garos, the state belongs to other tribes who co-inhabit with us, and also to all other communities who are privileged to be co-inhabitant of this beautiful state. So, therefore, the responsibility towards protecting the interests of the state and building a future for our generation next is a responsibility. Now, the present dispensation have, to a great extent, dislocated the whole momentum of development. The opportunities which were open for when we talk about opportunities, equal opportunities, when we talk about equal opportunities, you talk about equal opportunities for people who want to have a startup, people who want to start with a pan dukan, people who want to start with some chai dukan, people who want to start with some small cafe, restaurant, or even like you see lots of mothers, on the roadside becoming vegetable vendors and all. These are small startups, because our people traditionally were never entrepreneurs. Therefore, these are opportunities, even in the matter of business, which are provided. Business opportunities provided by the different line departments of the government, whether it is PWD, whether it is PHE, whether it is veterinary, whether it is agriculture, all the departments, they do provide spaces of opportunity for livelihood by being part and parcel of the whole implementation process. Now, these are slowly monopolized. The whole policy of the government has been so designed that all the business are being monopolized and are available only to selected few. These are what? These are manifestation of the impunity with which they're abusing their power for oppression, suppression, and monopolizing the opportunities of livelihood and business. You ask any businessman, you ask all those earlier successful entrepreneurs in Shillong, forget about going elsewhere. Ask them whether they still have the same opportunities. Ask them. You take the list of all those entrepreneurs who are in MECL. Ask them again, go and visit their house. Ask them whether they're getting the same opportunity now. No, it has been completely subsumed to bigger packages of, projects so that smaller men can not enter anymore. Do you mean to say that all our entrepreneurs and businessmen of Khasi Hills are big businessmen? They have such a huge investable reserves that they can compete whenever there are big projects in the offing. So these are what? These are modus operandi adopted to slowly displace our own local entrepreneurs, displace our own businessmen, and in the process, dislocate their livelihood. This is what is happening. Who will fight for this? Who will fight for this? You are asking me when I should go to Congress. Because Congress is with them. Is it not a fact? Is Congress not with NPP? You go to district council. You go to district council. So you are talking about Congress in Meghalaya, which is completely directionless. If they have proper direction, if they have sense of direction, then they will know whether they should associate with NPP or not. They are speaking something in the public domain, but behind the scene they are henning low. So Dr. Nakul Sama is putting an end to this speculation because I cannot dilute my focus, my determination to serve the people, to build the state in a manner which commensurate to my dream and the dream of the people and the aspirations of the people.
Ulampang kayong doba thauan ke jala u Thomas A. Sangma akasin balang jong katayo ulalum ya kajinga lang jong ka High Power Committee HPC hakaba ke lakmi bnya badyatai halo kajingyat ki kam ki jam hakabe ade ba kajingte ya kayong doba thauan bathamai ke jala hamau thiang thiang.
Hakani kejingalang lawan banishim benta do menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma u deputy speaker ke yang dorbar thauan kejelau Timothy Dishira kisembut menteri rang ba kejelau berkentup iu ba Presiden Tun Song baru ba senyau palang dhar ki MLA ke berkentup iu ba Charles Pengro ba la Kemen Rumbui baru ba Bantai Dorlengdo chief secretary kejelau ba TP Walang bat ki he officer sarkar. Hadin balawai kejingalang u Thomas A. Sangma u lepentep ba kejing bu thong ban pendep agi yang dorbar ke bethamai la penjelan biang da kejing temu ban yok ban plieno eka shwa ban penlong ya ke dorbar senrai hagas nambanwan. Kejingyat ki kam ki jam haduk menta kalong ke besngohun rai la penyat suki bat pikir bha namar kejing tai kalong ke bekerpang ya ke dom ha ke main hall bat kamlong ban lek kerkie bat ban mi biang kejing ja ke besngosi sa shisien. Ulampang jong yang dorbar thawai ulapan pawa berashkata kladan ya kejing kermen ban yok penlong ya ke dorbar mang tengka ha kene yang dorbar thawan ke bethamai nri mentala penjelan biang ya ke por balabo ya ke thong ba ya kene project on pendap ban pli haswa jong ke dorbar senrai ke senam banwan. Menteri rang ba ke jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulapan pawa kejing don kam bandon ke rukom trekam ke belapen kre abha da ke bapai kemat syakejing ja ke belaja ha ke por badang tei. Baru ulaong ba ke High Power Committee ke menjer ban penjelan sa shispa sengi. Pada kini ke projek on pendep shwa ke dorbar senrai ke senam Arhajar Arpusan.
We are all very satisfied with the progress of the work. Of course, there are challenges. We had a certain mishap that took place a couple of years back. And therefore, as mentioned by the Honorable Speaker, we want to be very sure that we don't rush into anything. The engineers of the PWD department, the PMC, the contractors have met on multiple occasions to ensure that every minute detail is looked into, and therefore they have urged that they should not rush into the construction, and rushing things could obviously complicate things. So therefore, as HPC, we have agreed that we would want it to be done well, and therefore we have agreed for a few months, about 100 days extension, which will then, of course, not make it possible for us to have the budget session as we had envisaged and wanted. So we are hopeful that we should be able to have the autumn session of 2025 here. But overall, as I said, the work is going well. The dome structure, we have reviewed it again and again. And just to share with everybody, that the design of the dome structure has been completely changed from the past. Earlier, the dome was suspended on a platform, but now the dome's main structure will be on the main beams and main foundation. So the pressure will not be on the platform, which was holding the dome, but rather the dome's structure will go and rest on the beams and the foundation, and hence it's going to be a very stable structure. Number two, the earlier dome design and materials used was making the dome structure at a weight of 3,000 metric tons. That's about 3 lakh kgs. Now, after the change in design and material changes, the dome weight has come down from 3,000 metric tons today to 85 metric tons. And hence, not just the design has been changed, but the materials used in the construction are being changed, which is going to make the dome very much more stable compared to what it was before, much lighter also, and design will be much more stable. Many aspects of the longevity of the dome was discussed. How it has to be maintained was discussed, what possible problems could happen, like leakage, rain. All those aspects are being looked into, and obviously only when the construction is complete, the trials will happen. There could be certain small rectifications required, but at large, every aspect from seismic zones, aspect of rain and water, aspect of the design of the dome, all of that have been discussed in detail today in the meeting. It was a very positive meeting, and we got very, very good and satisfactory reply from the PMC and the other engineers who were there in the meeting. And we're thankful to our Honorable Speaker. We will be seeing that this will become a very, very iconic building and structure for us. It will provide a very strong and very long-term infrastructure for the Assembly Secretariat in the long run. And there will be sufficient rooms for members and the office staff and political parties, so that this assembly could really become a very, very vibrant and a productive assembly, and provide the necessary space for our legislatures and for the assembly staff to work in a very, very good environment. So we're very happy with the progress, and we are hopeful that with a bit of light, with a few days of extension, we should be able to take care of all the concerns that are being raised and have this assembly ready, hopefully, for the autumn session of 2025.
Earlier decision was that we should have our budget session here, but we're very sorry that we will not be able to have this budget session, because there are certain work has to be very done, which are very sensitive, and we cannot just rush and speed up the work. So we had decided that we will have try to have in the next, not in the budget session, but the autumn session will be held here. We will try to finish and inaugurate this building before the budget, autumn session. Yeah, majority is the dome work, but dome work, as you can see, there's a lot of steel structure being going and being welded and fixed, so it will take time.
Hashwa bangin kimi iki kubor ke badang sa ngin apa hashwa shipor sa keni kijing penbana.
So my
Haba phai biang shaki kubor. Hakasngi balang jong katayong kakanhun ki hati klau ki lalit poi shakashnong sekur biria kabaha papo kahima jirang Ribhoi district bat kane ka jingwan kensan ki hati klau kalapin syapting ki ba kamtami ki nongrem haba kini ki hati ki lalit penjulor yaki pentor kabajong ki.
Ki ba nong shnong ka sekur biria hapo kahima jirang ka shnong khaput jong jela Meghalaya ra Assam. Kelamat gejeng chong sier bat ki hat banyai petngor na gejeng wan tur kensan jong ka kenhun ki hati klau ki badan kumba arpo tili ai ha ka por saw ki jamiet ki blatur shakishnong bat ki jakarat ki badan hak ne kishnong layo jing tip bakani ka kenhun ki hati klau ki badan kumba arpo tili ai kelami kensan ka ka klau ki badan marjan bar kishnong sekur beria bat ki lalit turru wat ki jakarat ka badan bojing maru ha gejeng shat thombor ki marrap jong ki hak ne kishnong Ki nong shnong ki lapun tip bagi hati klau ki juban tur ki shnong ki kau akum ki bagi por bagi ka ayam ot. Haga bagi jutur ban penjular ya ki jaka jongki ki bagi rap bagi ki marrap berukum jo ki trishtom bro shisnan. Li turu badai namar ke jengwan jongkum ki ki berat klau kam kam ki hati. Bagi lapun long ki nong shnong bani ap shnong kam tahu ki por menit. Bande ki berat klau banat bagi jengsa penjular ki marrap jongki.
Hadian kajing sapriang stat jong kawe ke video ke bapin I ya kajing say ya kiksan na kangap jong iwe I hebret ki bor pen ya jong ke civil hospital maukerwan ki lapan syai ba kajing reng ya ke video kalong tang ban buat rekod bat ki lapan map halo kajing sapriang jong kata ke video kabala long kajing pen ken ya ke hok jong ki nongpang.
Halor ke jing sapriang ko ke video hakiran san social media jeng we hebret beri kena akan thai barang san senam karta ya kabala seni I kiksan na kangap kabala put nakaliang I Dr. Marin Chalengdo medical superintendent ke civil hospital Mokurwat hakasan tre guno pra arhajar apusau hobe kran bekila patai kubor ila pensyai halor kene ke jingja katkum ke jingya tho I Dr. Marin Chalengdo ila ong baini hebret ila wan ban penket ki kimi ki kapa civil hospital Mokurwat hak artre guno pra arhajar apusau badadin cisni bekile sumari kata hakalai terek kila phanoi I Shaganesh Das Hospital Halau Mali Shillong namar bagajing mong kangap kalajur Shosho akabedai bagajing ring ya kene ke video I Dr. Marin Chalengdo Ili tho bagane video la ring hi di staff jang civil hospital hakapor bagidang sumari ni hebret bakile tho ru bagajing ring kene ke video kalong kumsi benta bani obo e record hakabedai pat bagajing sapriang jang kene ke video I Dr. Marin Ili tho bagade hakapor ba ya share para doktor balase kajing por jong kene ke video kala bandai nangta Nakaliang I Dr. Marin ilapan mapru neki kimiki kpa bat neki bahayang basam jeng ni hebret kebelang kumsi benta ke jeng penken ya ke hok jeng kinongpang. Ban chipen ken mau ni hebret ide nak snong mau bidong hag district Southwest Khasi Hills badi ikon je ikong Royal Pantila Kelam Karai baru ba overjoy jerwa bat mentai thang dan pedang ke jeng sumar ha Ganesh Das Hospital Hashilong.
Kini ya kes baru ila rai bakani kamlong ka jingsitom ka bangila ban sumar mangi hangnya po hospital di ila sumar da ka ba ila weng ya ki knyang ki ba la don halor ka ta ka dak jingmong namar ba sisin bakala don ka jingpang ka jingmong bala don infection bar bakapur di ka shitlong kumta ba la da dei ba bala matslem di kala don ru ka kanja jingput jong kado ti kani hi kan kadai ka e kabalaja bat mars le ya kata ka jing sumar ba ile ya kata ka mu ka jingwen kat ka ba ila na lor rei I thu ba ka bamlong ka ban sumar hamni na mar ba kadai ha ka dur khmat ti kala bandon ka jing kata ru ya ka ba kham shapo ka bangin la ban pentikna hamni po hospital jongi ti la refer no yo I mar kum tahi ha ka no phai sngi jong ka sngi ka ba buat ka man ha ka lai tarik di kata kade ke king ke jingja halor kani ka jing sumar ya ini kena ibawan hospital ke jongi di katkum ke jing tip ke jonga London pat kani ke jing pensapriang ya katu ke video bala ring hakapor ba sumar lani ba le dressing ya ini kena ban bala wengo ya gitu ki kiksan ki badon hakas ni do ka ba long man put na jong ti kum ba long ha kado ai kado merat ni dok priu ni dah kadon kajing put di kadon hi kajing don kesan bat ban nama baka dia dok mat bala itu bakala long ka bakam jeli bakala kam slim de la refer no ya i ti yakan tu ka video ngalatok kit bah na ki staff but na i doktor ru iba sumar baru arngot ki doktor ki ba sumar i itu iba admit ba di doktor iba sumar ru ha kapor ka ba layoring ya kan ni ka video tingan atok kit bah halor kan ni ba lap ru hi ba kan ni ka jingring ya kan ni ka video kadai na ka tim ka jungi hi ka jing thmu jong ka jingring ya kan ni ka video kadai ar bentah ka wei kadai ba ong ban bu record na ka bentah kan ni ka jing sumari ini ikna marka ba ada dei ban pendon kam ya ka kaji hikai ti kadai hi ha kajing rai kajung i doktor iba sumar ban ong bangin chim ya kani ka video ti kadai hi na tin ka jong hi ba kadon kani ka jing ring ya tu ka video ti ka jing ni pade jong kani ka jing pin sapriang ya ka tu ka video keleng ba ngaru ayo jing tip ba umde tang ham ni bo chinong jong ni handrai kadai social long ru hi ba chabo shabar jongka state ru don hi ki ba hi ya thu ba ong ba ki yo ya kan ni video ha ka perthai juk menta te kalam kom ta hi te ka de hi na ka jing rai la ni ka jing bom perkhat ka jong ka team hi ba ki share ya ka video pa de para colleagues te kam don kata ka jing mo ka jing long ban long mindful ya ka privacy la ni ya ka hok ka jong ki patience ke ka wan hi ka jing sumar ni ru ni snau thu ban namba ka don hi ka hok ka jong ki na ka banta ban long ka kan don ya ka hok jong ka privacy but dignity ka jong ki te ha kata ka jing ya share pat para maki kadai hi ka bagi share para colleagues hi te ban ong na ekalik te nga ngamla ban bu dia na do kata baka ka sapriang pat na te kan dei hi nang ta hi don hi ki brio mana bahar ki ba ki ba chon ya ka video te halor ka ni ngaru kum bagi de ki nong tre ki jonga ka ba ka mi ya ka ni ka jing duna ka jing bakla ba ka ni ka long shisha ka jing thut na ka banta ki mu ka long yin bat na ka banta ka jongi hiru ba ni la kum mu la kum pen kenya ka ka right jong ki patients halor kata ka ba ban ong pan yada ya ka privacy ke joki te halor kani hi ngaru nga himkhia bat ba na la address ki staff bat ru pangin ha ban bu ba de ki kandon na ka banta ki staff baro hi ba kan dei ba kan long hi da ka rule ka ba berking na kan ta ka jongi hi ba kan don ka jing te la kam halor mu ban bet ban khmi ba kan don ka jing ja ban ong ba bangin that mo ya ka privacy ka jong ki ke mo nga snow thu ba kala de hi ka jing duna na kaliang ka jongi te halor ka ni ba kham tam na ka long yin ka ba itu ikna pret i wan mo nga pan map na ka banta na ki staff ka jonga ba kala don ka ni ka jing duna halor ka ni ka ba kala poi ka jing pin sapriang ya ka ni ka video
Kasang San Partai National People's Party NPP hakasi thodin jong katayo kalapan banapat ba ek kerteng jong ki lai pho prangut ki kertong ki banya khun ye ki election MDC ke Banwan na Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHADC but Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council JHADC
Ya kini ketup kerteng jogi kertong lapan benaru working president ke NPP Meghalaya ubah Hamlet Sondoling rengkat kejingan lang kinong yalam kene keseng ha kejingan lang ke belalong hak office terekam ke NPP halo wala cumia. Nagilai pu prangut ki kerteng jogi kertong ke bela pelat ekawat ke benengkong ki kentup ke kerteng jogi kat prangut ki kertong ke bani aireng ha ki election Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bar arpongut na ke Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council. Hakatup kerteng jogi kertong ke bani kon election MDC na Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kibali tiket ki kentup ya UCEM uba peniat sing CM hendrai ki election banwan ane kon no na kanong thamai constituency sure na ka sorang kam constituency ucaman ka ki HADC uba alam prang bla ulayo tiket bani kon biang na mau plang ding yai ki executive member bat ki MDC kibali tiket ki kentup i Congress Mary Karpuri na nong shken kong Magdalene Saukumi maulong no umsning ba rangkan sai Karbuki no umroy ba Alvin K Saukumi na mausenram ba Fantin Jela Kadong na lat mkra malki ba Karnes Soashang na maukerwat ba bat scam rentatiang na mairang nong klau UMDC bat MLA berem karem prai jerngam ubak kemfa es marbanyang uliyot tiket akajaka jeng UMDC bementah ubak bajok pengrup. Habapai Chagajan Hills Autonomous District Council UCEM ubak Tombor Shiwat uliyot tiket menekun na mudok Ladang Chairman ke GHADC Dr. Sanki Shampung uliyot tiket menekun na batau lakadong bat kiwe ki MDC ke bementaru kiliyot tiket biang.
Nama kibabun hi ki siting kita gelek marba kita nak list ke ba dikonsig bagi 4 ban decide tiga nang ma ya ketika final recommendation nak block tiga pala ban ong reta kawe ki bagi la mai tu pi kalau nak liang jong ka motion road ba jigur marathon ini remedi show ika election MDC lalu ke kandidat bakam juru iba bajak pegro pro ini remedi show yang ketika election MDC daras nirang show ika recommendation ke block pihak beri bagi jirang pi kemau mana tidak liang jongi kem ke parti ngim kwa banai ke direction nang ni dalor ceti sepo ke blok level jongi ngiap baik ya ke recommendation nak liang jong ke blok te ke shong ke blok lar ka pha ki keri ar langut kata ke shong ko ke state election committee de ke baklo matahi ngi ap ya ke recommendation nak liang jong ke blok pi nak liang jong ke sayong kidan adu komba langut ki bapan ya ka tiket nang tina pos yang constituency ke bakan tubru ya sitting MDC dan nak liang jong ke blok kam sumna ban rai nak lagut yano ba kinjit tangwe di lagut tiga pa sipo ke state election committee dan nak liang ke state election committee nge dang pai perman ba dam dang kini ke lagut yano ngan ai marba kimna ba ai lut bor lagut na mai tangwe di yakiri banta ngat sa sakriat sini di ebet suaka trespass pensi asmi ka ya kandidat munis pemenang mereka soal konstitusi ba iba pedia CM ila pentip ba ide milia show nanti na po so rakam indrai ila ship berlian orang tidak po nang temai konstitusi tikum mulang mantai ke blok aktif po so rakam ke dalam aktif kadang terkam bat mantai kita persang ban finalize ya kandidat nomor hang tiru dan ba ar langut imat ki baya ke pan ya ketika balile jika bahaya ni bagian curai marmar di hang tiru bidang ya persang ban penbet di kebong menahi pensaya sekolah ka sekali stiker kateng jong kandidat
ke sarkar jala hagas ki hat majai jong kata yau kala lumya ke jingalang jong ke State Security Commission hakaba kala tai sani halo ki sen jam ki badeban penklan ki rukom trekam jong ka tanat bulet ke jala bat nakaliang noyalam kaliang persya u Dr. Mukul Sangma ula banjur baki bulet ki deban trekam katkum ki kendon jong ke Meghalaya State Police Act arhajar shipo
Kesarkar jela hak sautrik uno apra arhajar arpusau kelalu mega jingelang jong ke State Security Commission baklit u menteri rang ba ke jela hak jingenan rekat usembut menteri rang ba ke jela bakmi ya ketenat home police bat ke director general ki pulet bat unong ngelam keliang persya hukum jo Dr. Mukul M Sangma baneta hilor kisenjam bagi sarkar ke deban chem ban penklan ke rukam trekam ketenat pulet ke jela habakran kel pathai kubor unong ngelam keliang persya u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ula banjur ke jumdan kamban penklan ke rukam trekam ketenat pulet katkom ke Meghalaya State Police Act arhajar shpo dak bakado begidan shibun kimat jingekran hak State Security Commission ndre ke bakam kongsan kedai komno ban penklan ke ketenat pulet katkom ki kendon an kenang ban wanda ke jing shong shngan ye ki nong shong shnong bat ban la aru ban telakam ye ki kam sniu u Dr. Mukul M Sangma ule tho bula ai jingmot hak State Security Commission ban pentikena bak jing tap kam pulet kam dai ban slam kenang ban pendap iki kam ki balat kenang ban penklan ru iki kam kumbala ban syat kat kum ki kendon an ula kam babun ki thanat ki police outpost bat ki we ki office jong katnat pulet ki dangduna nong trei bat kene kedai ko weni ki daw batlot ke rukam trei kam ki office katnat ule thu bula ai jingmot hak jingelang jong State Security Commission bag jing thong kam pulet kadai ban nong man la kasnam marbun ki kam ki laj Ramadan ki pulet ki belakio kerdan badan ki belasong that nakakam.
All this intent of increasing the efficiency of policing, keeping in mind all the challenges and other obstacles around, how they can ensure that. And there are many obstacles. There are many instances where organization also get influenced, by external forces, including political, social, or even other forces. Maybe even the people who organize a kind of organized groups, cartel, all these things, these are nothing new. Okay, you know what has happened over the years. If it has not happened here, is there any reason for us to be apprehensive of similar kind of things happening here? Therefore, what should be our proactive measures to ensure that we don't see what we see elsewhere in respect of all deterioration of law and order, or otherwise, the lawlessness and other instances of organized crime, etc., etc. Therefore, many issues, many factors actually trigger that. Many factors also create a situation wherein this kind of organized crime start becoming more and more pronounced, and then you have a problem. So how to prevent, and also how to ensure deterrence of the resources, including the resources in terms of the manpower, because number of police stations and outposts are actually running with depleted number of manpower. That means the total sanction strength of the respective police outposts and police stations and other establishments are running at almost at 60% capacity, 50% capacity, and these are not good, because when you are approving and according sanction in terms of the manpower strength for any police station or police establishment anywhere in the state, you are taking into cognizance all other aspects. The need to protect any police station or police establishment existing across the state can be a potential target of attack by any other inimical forces. You have seen it in Giant Hills. You have seen it even in Shillong. So if these things can happen in the state capital, then you have to be obviously aware of the possibilities of similar kind of adventurism by any groups of criminals, and therefore ensure that the police establishment across the states are not seen as vulnerable. Rather, they should be seen as imposing, as powerful, so that they create a sense of deterrence. So these things are important, and therefore the recruitment comes. The issue of leaving the vacancies for a long time is not a good thing, because all these posts which have been sanctioned and the resultant vacancy because of retirement, because of promotion, whatever has happened. But the fact is that the whole sanction post is designed to meet the demand of each police establishment, whether it is police outpost, whether it is police station, whether it is any other establishment like police infiltration checkpoint, or whether it is the office of the SP. So every single post that has been sanctioned is determined by the justification of the actual requirement. So any depletion of the forces in terms of the manpower should be promptly taken cognizance of, and should be done good by filling up the post. Therefore, recruitment must be regular. Recruitment must be regular. I'm not talking about new sanctions of posts, but I'm talking about the vacancies which exist. And every vacancy, there must be recruitment every year, because you cannot wait. The overall cumulative number of vacancies, if you allow it to get accumulated over a period of time, then you will have a problem. Not only a problem, you also deprive who are willing to serve the state, who are willing to serve the people by being a member of the police organization. Allow them this privilege. Why you ask him to wait for 3, 4, 5 years? So I think these are something which goes beyond our intent of ensuring that every police establishment across the state are with full capacity in terms of their manpower strength, and at the same time also to ensure that all the vacancies that takes place over the years are promptly filled up, so that youth get privilege of being able to join with the government in serving the people. You do it today, I will do it tomorrow. That's perception will come. And when you want to stop it, they will say, oh, my leader is good for nothing. He's not allowing me to do the same. So therefore, let us ensure that the whole policing aspect is not to any extent diluted by other areas of interest, which is which revolves around individual interests of settling personal score or creating some kind of perception to show that he wields power because of being where he is. So these are things which can be put an end to, because the law itself is also indicative of this. In fact, if you go through the Meghalaya Police Act 2010, you will see that these points are also precisely indicated in the points of concern, and how we must ensure that the whole organization is insulated from the tendency of anybody misusing or anybody getting influence, political or otherwise. It is not only political always. It can be, other inducement by other group of people. It may be businessmen, or it may be somebody who is in a cartel, cartel of smuggling, cartel of. Today, you have a serious problem confronting us: the problem of easy availability of substance of abuse. Where are they coming from? You have to somehow be investigative to find out, is there any who is facilitating this from people who otherwise should be the people concerned, mandated by law to create a deterrence, rather than creating a deterrence, easy becoming a facilitator. All these things, because if you go by how this type of cartel have operated elsewhere in the world, and how they have successfully been able to influence, the authorities. Therefore, it gives you reason to, be vigilant. Okay, this is what has been, this is what has happened elsewhere. Is it that these similar models operandi is being operated by our people also? So it gives you a reason to be vigilant, keeping in mind the quantum of illegalities happening in the state. Is it not a fact? This substance abuse is a problem, a matter of serious concern for the people. You have seen recently Minister in charge Urban Affairs, Minister in charge Tourism, having a special program on making West Shillong constituency drug-free. He had a program, special program organized. Why? Because of the magnitude of the problem. Therefore, you have every reason to be vigilant and more vigilant, and utilize all the resources available under your command to take these problems head on.
Deputy Chief Executive Member, Deputy CEM KKHDC uba pensngan NCM uba longru unoyalam keseng Congress hagasi palai jong katayo ulong kajingtmu jong keseng Congress banyak trailang bat ke NPP HKHDC kadai namar kajingtmu ban penkelano ekikendon juga 6th schedule jong kariti sensar kari.
Habai keren bikinong patai kubor ba pensngan NCM ula kubor ba kinong ket kam bat kidkot jong keseng Kongres kim sngot tanat ekaseng bakane trailang bat ke NPP. Nrem blong pat ba keseng Kongres kalala ban le shibon ke AKA da kajingidon lang hapo ke Executive Committee ke belayalam da ke NPP HKHADC. Ulong nadu kesngi ke benengkong habla shemekarai ban trailang bat ke NPP HKHADC. Tai sani bagi jingtu kalong ban senyang hakaman klan jaga riti dostor ban penne aga jinglong tenrai ki it ki hima bat ki shnong ki ba bapo aga jingkmi jong ka KHADC. Mereka bakam kong san kadai namar bagi jingtu jong sarkar India ban penkelano ikendon jong 6th schedule kariti sensyari. Bat kumta da ka jingidon lang hak Executive Committee onla ban pa aga jing terwa bagi jing ajing mod ki ban yada ya kajat benrio.
Kata ke nya thai kum kita ke bapunlongi parti bukas jingiru ban ya lang syata tenre ajing hadi pakai komen jong tor mukul tengah namdon kata ka jisngo ko jong u tenre habakut hi nagaliang jongi kat to kat ni ki nongiram jong Kongres nganong all nganong barok koi idon tang wi kathong badang idon hangnu ro ngindon yu senyang benhei na ka benta ka inang pagi briu ki jongi dia Henry kumbang pina ru mennya biang bagi tentang haban snap baru atli skor marba nginum laban go against su ikanyi sngo jong babun balang ngale singa nomlong bu basaj laru o ngila saj la hi kata for many mon tenre ngi ibun ki diki pada ki bangi don kampan le tenre ya kata marong ifi very few days ngatrai nimsa take a final call
so kani ka jing karnai kani isa baka parti ka sotu ba kani ka jing trailang ka NPP kan kata ya ka Kongres kan itu kapinisya siya kata
ngahagis ngujung ate ka jis ngujung paiba babun balang imat hamtam ginong kursan Kongres kata ka diga jis ngujung ki ngam ya kata pi teng longi ki nong yalam ngim su thu ka ka main jong babun balang ajing pe jungi ngi la persang ban perform bah ko ma pi tenre ka jing kwa jong ki kalong ba ban weng de ha bang ya ngap bah ki babun ki parti bokas lese ngasai pi bah ki social media ki ru ba kim da kham sutunat ya ka polisi jong ka NBP. Jadi saya katakan dia kedau. Ndai haji lam jungi hang ni pedang lek bun ke bapa.
Kami ada kedau ajar ke election MDC na makiti yo kakta ke kongres.
Lada piong kata kam dei bagi jan yang election MDC makidi la nadu mensua. Ngafain du benai mensua. La persangi ban ong yangi. Te ka sulong ba nak yang jungi pada idang bun kini ki kam ki bangai de ban pendap. Ngidang susanut hiban margi babun ki ya ki kam justice sentri ngidang dep ya ga mo ya ga khairim ke bangidang shu dep wood de ngis ngudon kam ba ban pendep ki ke hindai kan ni ka jing pressure kam dei tang mentana du menchua
Haden jong ke jing ki kabalane shibnai tam hakala sing blai jong ka tayo ki samna puli ke school ba nehu hapo kalama jong ka Northeastern Hill University Students Union nehu su bat ka Khasi Students Union nehu unit kila sheme ka rai ban penlong no iki kelas na do kalai tarik uno pra arajar arposau kamtam habak inquiry committee kala shimti ban tokit ya ka kanrum kanram kabami hapo nehu
Kisamla pulia ke skul ba Nehu ki badan hapok kalama jang Northeastern Hill University Students Union Nehusu bat ka KSU Nehu unit haka artrik uno opera arajar arpusau kila shemekarai ben penlong kelas no na do kalai trik uno opera arajar arpusau hadin bag inquiry committee kila shemti ban tokit iki kenram haka ni ke skul ba la ban kedau hang ne ban kaliang ke Nehusu bat ka KSU Nehu unit kelas dang nak jing ki ke basatngan na do kasan tarik janmiat jong unai wiang mat rairu un pentrekam ya ka total lockdown ka baklembo por hagani ka school ba hagani ka sini kaliang ka Nehusu ka KSU Nehu unit ka Nehuta rengkat ba kinangalam jong ka KSU Sengkemir kilawan ban lumlang hajan ka office trekam u vice chancellor hadin ba mi ka kubor ba vice chancellor ka Nehu Professor PS Chokla ulapan ya gibor pahara ka baklan ka sarkar pedang bonit shimti biang ya ka syuki vice chancellor hadin bu lakut ka syuti Nrai kini kesini kaliang u Vice Chancellor in charge u Professor N Saha ula pentip ula penjelan biang ke syuti u Professor Shukla haduk kakak lai trek unopra. Na kaliang samla pulih ke berkentup ke Nehusu bat ke KSU Nehu unit kaliang pahara kerdap jong ke sekolah ba nadu ke por prash teng men step jong kini kesini. Da kejing temu ban pakang lenti u Professor PS Shukla bo unwan rong syakakut jong ke sekolah ba. Habagran ni kilat patai kubor u Doniho Kharsati, General Secretary kini husu ulang bagi ki mensangya ban pelong kelas kalajan kot syakashi benai tam ban namar kejik penjelan syuk ke syuti u Vice Chancellor kumtana kalian kesamla pulih kila syemikarai ban sedang kelas no akum bajulong dari ki ban wan ke ban syongklan mengor kani kejaga kan beteng bet haduk ban weng no yu Professor Shukla na kani ke sekolah ba
kong long kebangi iba ka shi jong usi ha ka po ba would extend ya ki leave ka jong let's say kane ka ba penlengok yangi kumki 90 ba la kena screen shot tangan ban ngidang continue ya ka street demonstration aduk mentah te ka ba pelengok ikolong ba ka ministry hi kam tha rai u ban un karnai ka kalif u tha rai u la tho hi dala de ka to ka chi kane ka pun iba u ya sailat ya ka ministry ba ministry ro kam ka pentrenya ya ka bor la de ha ba ma u de we na ki jung sha kan tho ba ka kan ka inquiry ya u tang ba ngai iba hakini ki sah hakini ki ski ada pula shim arsin kalif ka we bam taw la extend bang kalif jing do khalai tarik tingin kaliang ka KSU Nehu unit hi ka khabar ka basai ba ngingin ngi ka sarkar ni ka ministry ka long ba baki de ban pha EU ka kalif EU na kaliang ka ministry ba kumjo ka ngin ban ngin khrang ba kan tapat ya ka puli buthi ki semla puli apa school ba ngi laduk la singi la syari la singi ngilak ban kren bat ki VC in charge ban penlong kini ki urgent isi meeting kenang ba kilak ban penjai BPRT ya ka kumjulong ka kelas te haju aporo in continue bang ya kan kasi demonstration nado live baje do san baje kenang ba ngihap stok ba ka jingi ki kanang teng bat kumjo ba ka kelas kan ya kumjulong upani kata ke security naga central government bat kumjur haka bayri ka shithi ka bu ong ba on resume office nanta ka singi tabakat kembang i bangim sham i UVC ba uwan yu kejat naga university bat kam tam ha bangi i artat i kata ka news ka ba UVC hu lapan chuchu kata ka leave ka ba hadu khadai 3 December tena kalian jungi ki student union akasi student union ni unit bat kumjur ka ni husu ngilaya rai ngilaya shong perkhat ba kat kumba ka jindawa ka jengi ka diga removal UVC bagi iba mentau lapoi yang kata ka extended leave dan kalian jengi ngisnyo ba kala de ka por ta yengi hero bagi prioritize ka jing pulih putih jengi kena pulih ka university komban shong ye pi mentala jin poi kumba shibnai kan thi haka bede ba kan ka miss haka bede ba kan ka non functioning no ka university jengi ka suspension of classes kala long kumba shibnai mentala jindap shibnai dan kalian jengi ngilai shimi kan ka rai ba ngin open no ki classes but ngin asha no ki classes bikin function normally kumba julong ngin rai ka normalcy namar ba ko mangi i ba UVC sham layu kejat ka university jengi bagi sham lakwa hiru ban jeopardize ya ka long jingman bha long bha jengi khna kamta maka bidi ka pudi puthi jengi khna tene keleng jengi ngilai shim garai bangin pre no ki classes but ki internal test ki assignments pending assignments ki bagi khna bagi no ka ki khna yo ban penle na ki santrik jong 9 November bagi shim ka ne garai bamenta ba maki ki ne penlong no ki classes but bagi ya penlong kita ki exams hakabidi bet ka demonstration hi kumbang ngilai zang hi jingi ki tang hakawi ga sod bet ka wi ga jingdawa ka takari removal jong vice chancellor takat kum hakane ka parliamentar ngi ba vice chancellor ukpem khamsha remove what they can leave ka ba ushim rakam de ga jing tha jong ministry ka de something ka ba uhi extend ka mons ke phala de tene ka leng jongi ngin penlong ki classes kum ba julong tamanadu por live je hadu san beje ngin don biang ka demonstration kadang jingi ki kadang agitation jongi kadang continue ben but ngim nam manthai ka bang pat yu i hirai ka report lan ngin pat ira ka recommendation ka len ka ministry ba kadang bakan remove ya u vice chancellor lan ka president ka ban tha yu ban remove lan kham tam ki ka ba ngi su thu ba kamla ban long tam ngi dang shu anticipate ba UVC hi un resign ka mon skim phadal de hi
dia kumbalai toyo balalet lingba kalat pathai ubor bu ong bo new Profesor Shukla ong ban join biang kini ke office kini North Eastern University manta kesengi kita kalong ka 3 December handai penban ngi nakaliang kajungi ni nadu kesengi bakal alat hi ka notification bu ong bu join ngila shong hani ki gate ki ba fair nadu ka gate 1 nadu ka gate 6 ngila shong ki khna sama puli jong bro kani ka university ka bangi lai bu shift ki ba fair te kumju menen ga janmi tu ngila shong hadu mentam stam te mentan hi khamshang dia ni ba kata ka jing shimshti yang so khat sanski nakal yang go visi te kumtahi nakal yang ga jungi kurwa kopsha ka lamba ai bo unshim kata gasti hadu tad bo lakut kata katem go jong u pane unmi sunan nakani university nakal yang ga jungi hi ka kurwa kopsha ka lamba dalili ru ngim aila uni professor Shukla bo unjuk kejat yang kani university lanu ru te kumba ngilai hi dengan ka lat thai bor man kani katnu la pha kita kisti ba fair station ministry handai ngan ong IP ko wiru nang to kamde kam shimna satya ka de ka badai bo utho handai naru ko por kisti ba fair ka jingi ki ba fair ka dan university kata bor khat ngila ban nuksa handai nakan liang jo uniu Profesor Shukla ulong be uba adaman ulong be ubaliat don bo nakapor am shimla buram chu ek try jala ni samla puli jo kan ni school ba te kumtahi nakaliang ka jungi nakapor hi ni yu pha kita jing ujor handai ngi ba am shimla dan kanu nu ka jing try te mentaru ka kanti ngingit scam ba tu komiti ru kan pha kanu nu ka respond ka babiang banang ba ndai shu bancha uni professor banjuk kecat biang ni university PE pet kat ni ka jingi ki jungi nuduk sini kong ru bangi syak kan am shim ladan kanu guna ka jingwan approach nakal yang gajungu handai ulasngu hadian kat tu kat ni sni la dalayat sanjus ni ulasngu ba amshim ladan la chu ula persang ban banyak kram compromise handai nadu ka sini kom bumi pha jing dawa ushim sting ben takadam nakal yang gajungi poi hadu kani kaput barang bangi hap sha than bat kumjur bamnum sha aila chu uni bun wan rung kani ka university kuma phlai kani ka jingi khunjungi kamdei tang namta ka kani ka jingi khunjungi kamdei tang namta kini samla puli ya kani ka kanti ndai ka dei namta ki pateng bat ki khun ki kiti bat ki persa ki bansawan ki jongi kani ka jela bagi nyo kata jing puli ka babiang bat kumju ki infrastructure bat nadang sedang
Da kajing sokya halo kajing le don bor ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council KAAC kabalakne jubor ki jaka ki bahap apo jong kasnong mukro hawes Giant Hills ban pentre kami ki project jong ka Assam kino alam jong kasnong mukro kilele ya kendo ya kisembut menteri rangba ka jala bandawa bakidei ban tuklarno mardor halor kani kajingja
Kino alam jong kasnong mukro ka bahap apo ka district West Giant Hills Hagalai trek unopra arajar arpusau kilawan wan pensngo halo kajing mat jing kinong shnong kamukro na kajing la don bor ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kabalak kini jubor ki jaka ki bahab kasnong mukro ban penurlong yagi project jong ka Assam habakran ni kilat patai kubor hasilong press club u secretary kasnong mukro uba Precious Star Stan ulong manaduk kajing syak thombor ka belajar hak senam arajar arpuar badon kajing do ya kajing embryo kasnong Inong sosnong gemukro gidang mat agajuk kajing syak thombor ka jela Assam haduk kini kisni. Bat kini ubat ki klau ki betap jeng kisnong haka balapun kelam ki diang ban shnai ki surok ki bahap kisnong mukro. Nagaleng kisnong hi halor kini ki kam thombor ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kalalit ben ujor ki bor ki beri kemi indre kam sunadan kano kajing simkya. Kumta kilalit ben kendo no usumbut menteri rangba ka jela ubadai u menteri ketenat korbari uba Preston Tensong. Usumbut Menteri Rangba, ubak senyaw balang dhar, ubalang chairman ke Regional Committee, jong ke Rilom Jantia, ban kerpa deki bakin syamkiai kena kejing syak liat dun bor, haka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council.
Haka pratalik jong unai November jong Senin, ilabu ya ka FIR, hapo ka barato apus, halor kene ka jinglet jubor jong ka KSC ya ngikum kesnong, but ngikum kasnong kibriu jong kasnong tang bat ya denti nang taru kadon kajing tin kajing sweet namar kini kibriu jong ka Karbi kiba trai bakta anta la spot iki da kiba bon ki police force ki jong ki but hagane hi kajong kasingka pratik jong nai nombar gila airo ya ka complain gila idea ya ka complain sha usian jong ka JHDC bagi kerpa yo ban intervene halor kane ka jingla jubor jong ka KSC yagi commissioner ban ila ai we complain ka bagi la kerpa yo deputy commissioner ban intervene ban perjo ya ka rat ke jongi namar ba menta ka hok ke jongi kala syakri ban namar ba tan ban le beri le risa syakata kacaka badai ho upur kam jo commissioner badai ka klau badai ka jaka jo commissioner gim inong sosnong kim lacho but halor kini kicine propon kipa ni kum besnong ni taman kala bu ini hagicine pak menta kesmi ni kum binong lam jo besnong hi bro away arta besnong ro wasnong hi bro away menta kesmi ni laman pani pendu ya bu deputy chief minister pada in charge jong ka department jong ka sarkar jogi di sar Preston Tensong but mila semili ya kane ke memorandum but hak cukup forum nilai jawaban kendu ya di seharusnya mahalang hari pada di chief minister termasuk kajani but pada itu hak cukup forum di chairman jong ka regional committee jong ka West district but kane ke cuy ke memorandum nilai jawaban ai hak ki jogi but nilai jawaban senior ki jinge jong ba ni kum kesnong ni teman pada kane ke memorandum nilai kada usai ba ang ki jinge ba kesnong kalaman Sepang kata kecing tin kecing switch pang ki bapun kecing ya pagi pun kesnong kita ikeduk mentah dan bahagian kecing ya cepor jom ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pada kene kita merondong gila kedeu sepang kene ka ikut islah ki pagi pun kesnong gila jo pat gila kedeu ya ki bapun kecing ya pat gila pusnyo sepang kita kecing ka pagi gila dek pusnyo sekibor jom ka administration but akan kecil kendo jom iki ila sedia wiki sepapi kecilnya hadir dalam perjanjian kalian jom ni kum ge nomilam solution parti nomilam ki ba mensuaro akan ki ba ilam ko por kala pensinya wajah sokan bagi le ila le wat oi imla banden na kalian jom ki kesem ila pensinya wajah ki por solution pada kamram jogi kum ki nomilam solution kamram jogi ka bang pensinya wajah ki por sokan pada saat sokan di sini ya sokan bukan akhir ya ada bicara. Dan ada untuk senam
Patron kabin house jong kapura sasam nila ay kung memorandum sa kasorka. Munta la haray ka ispa kali na daban. Pat kato kabin house ka remain itu kadon yang tu hadu menta kalong begitu. Dan kata-kata na kalian jumi kumkas nung pro mainly I concentrate for the Mukura village. Namar ba ya kan blok pon blok is not an issue. Tadi issue jong government. Henry kat ikas nung Mukura ni don ka jimbak. Namar ba ikas nung Mukura, mana nung Mukura hadu kami akong no kilometer. But kanne ka first build house jong ka west ka yang long ka don mo ta hasno. Kumba itu urang ba asnong sekretary snong akrementan hilayok sneo panisya pensitom na kopi pos. Dan kata hukum ngakerpat ya ka sorkar jelajuni badon hakabor ba ya phi ki parado prasnam ba phi shim ya keneka jingkit kle na ta sa pemberi pakai sekarang. Solution ado mata impal ini. Tayoda sa ka sorkar pamunchuar yosim kale ikane Henry kumbani yoi baka kalau uncapable to challenge with the outsiders. Baka government jumpi Pakistan. Dan kata-kata di kermen pak hakanya ke sorkar bantang yoi baka kajing tibin junta haka roy kepar ke development haka sejuni pak di kermen ru bahkan simkian nantang. Dadakam simkian ya sorkar bantang manoban simkian. Manoban sim men ay resolution bansong ikri jika juni pada prasnan. Dan kata-kata na kalian sungaruk kumusun nasional maka parti yang sorkar bahkan simkia yang kami yang juni kesehatan.
Namar ka jing bom ken snap ka sorkar jalai ki mat jing dawa ban ken tiu no e ka jing siu hakala sing ublay jong ka tayo kinuyalam ka all janta master roll workers and labor union kila berngem ban lektur sa secretariat haka khat nyo tarik uno pra ban pen bor ya ka sorkar ban pen urlong no ya ki mat jing dawa jong ki.
Kinuyalam jong all janta master roll workers and labor union kila berngem bentur sa secretariat haka khat nyo tarik uno pra arjar pusau. Halin bag sorkar kelalek menti kijing dawa jongki. Na kaliang jong kene ke union kelabu kijing dawa ke sorkar jelaban kentiu ya kijing siu ya ka variable dianas allowance ke bag sorkar kelade ban kentiu dok setrik gurisau arhajar arpusau. Na lor kene ke union kelada waru ban kentiu ya ka floor basic rate ke ban kentiu sisian ha sansinam dok setrik gurisau arhajar arpulai kat kum ka minimum wage act ka kendai sepasan popra. Habakira ni kilat patai kubor na kaliang jong ke union habakilawan meni kendu ikno patai kubor hasilong press club hakalai trik uno apra arhajar arpusau. Unong ai but jong ke union uba ke al pariat ulaong bamenta ka berami kisni ke marbam ki jingdan kam ruglan kiudor ndre ka bedai bagabay nong ginong bala ke sorkar kam shim lekin tiu. Paru ba pariat ula kento jurru halor ka jing peluk kisah jong sorkar hakikam tamasa beper kat bakinong tre belas ngi ki imdok badha bencus ngap kat basyap nyat.
Halor kali menta kala tam yang sistem ke government hada menta kasmi. Nalor pangila ai ke jing thon lu mana Julai ngila bo ke jing kan ke jing terpal hada menta kasmi ran ye kendo. Ye Dr. Vijay udah commissioner secretary of finance. Ngikran sai malba pelan ai no sanction. Namala sistem tam la ko ke ni po palepit. Tuong ba Idan haban review, ni haban patch show on sekarang musim ini. Masih senang melakukan. Kerana rules yang minimum wages act 1948 akan syai within 5 years. Kita berkonstitusi ini. Te nagalian jamu bawa bakalan bonkam sebentar Christmas kini katai si bon ke hero. Te orang itu tapi bonkam tu mungkin untuk balas ni. Ibu haban berkoi kenalan. Ni haban pun kau juga orang di file to office. Ni ham gimdan kamma yang kata ke Christmas gimdan hok mabanya kita di hok begini dia. Haba sistem tak mencua pilih ayu. Te kata ke jingkeling ibu kebaar pan kena dia keren berga government mentai commissioner secretary bahkan mau ya kene ke ban revise ya ke minimum wages la lawan ra apa assembly.
nagaliang juga push ke balong mulai match. Na kilong kita kilong try bala kita kilong menjajua. Kami ketinggal liba hato kalau poi be mo kata kesensyap jong di KCM juga. Ban pensio bah yaki marau haban ai ke tem ke jimput nang ban ya ka kam bau suim le try kau. Ban kena ban tak mo kita. Pen berniam. Kata kata ke cingkeli ke bangila ya keli. Jadi yang ini punya orang pensio pada kai. Yang no pensio. Nang no punya pensio ya kita kena try, kita kena bawan tentu tem cene kita masa ni pun ke. Terkadang di government employees nang try sorka ke government ke penbiang itu dulu. Namar bala jan ke Christmas. Tingin try bala makin try bala berkerja pensio. Tahanu kata kata lagi kita jadi kabamenta ki om kita ki jingwan ke jingkers ke pho jing ping je sarkar jilla ho ngiai upho secari blossom ba mata ngiau i jing tem jing pot ki bawan mi ho andra yigine ki no kho yigi nala no ra ki files po secretariat ki ban ra ki files ki office ban pen biang ye kata jing tho ye ki ban yo tulak ki no tri sarkar bat ki contractor mereka. Kata kata dengan ini berkat ni nasi dia kara bakatnya untuk ni Desember nimban se bat ni seus dia mahaman kesan senang iman ni haban wanro keu shisla man pelong kecil.
Kinoy alam jong ke Meghalaya SSA School Association MSSASA hakasni balang jong ke tayo kilalet ya shimbanta hakajialang balalum da Commissioner Secretary katanat Pule Puthi Vijay Kumar Mantri hakaba kilaya kren sani halor ki pratli ki mat jing dawa ki ba ka seng kala dawa na ka sarkar jilla bakadai ban pentre kam na ka banta ka bhagamiat jong ki nong hikai SSA hakajilla.
Ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association pa kajingilamu Presiden uba Aristotle C. Rambai. Kilala ishim bata ha kajingilang ha kabaledan lang Director ke School Education and Literacy Uswapnil Tembe badu Deputy State Project Director. Habakran nikilat patai kubor hadin balawai kajingilang uba Aristotle ulong bakilekran halor ki pratli kimat jingdawa Joganek Association. Ngre Commissioner Secretary ula pentip bakat kum kajing bata na ka sarkar Pedang omdai bandon kada bakerpang na kebentai kinoi kai SSA. Ulong bagajing bata ke sarkar India kalong baginohi kai SSA baginohi kai sarkar kedi bandan hapwa kawi kajing penyat kabadi ke sarkar. Uba Aristotle uliatho banaki pratli gimat Commissioner Secretary ula penpau bakatanat Pule Puthi kadang syong perkhat banekran benia abha halor kisan tli gimat bala IT dek association. Ula bandra bro baka association keladawan na katanat Pule Puthi ban pentre kam megor kom siau bat ban kentiu ketulap kat kum kajing penkalai ki kendon siau kasnam arjar khatsan ban penkalai ke Meghalaya School Education Service Rules ban pelat ya baro kitu kina kai SSA ke belarung hak NCTE notification ke bela penmi hak arpulai trek unailar arjar shipho ban pas ke MTET bat kibe kimat.
Ala consider but include haka policy ka point number 1 kalong ban pentre kam yaka pay structure number ta kinong hikai SSA but kum juro ban enhance ya katulok jong kinong hikai SSA as per existing policy or as per existing norms as far as concern regarding the salary and regarding the payment of salary for government teachers. Kabamut kabangila ong ba government can consider ya ketika kabangila ay cumut nakalian job association ka revision of pay rules 2018 kata kali point number 1. Ka point number 2 kabangila pentip ini kalong ba nakalian job education department kan wanra kalani kat kentu ba kabay de kacing ay cumut ni nakabentaban wanra ya ka special package mo lani ka special package nang betaka nagbetak itu kinong hikai di balajan karta ban short type kata dari ka point number 2 ka point number 3 ka ba nakaliang jong ki kila pentip yang ikalong ba amen ya kaneka Meghalaya School Education Service Rule kata dari ka point number 3 ka point number 4 kalong ba yakitu kinong hikai SSA ki bala join prior to 23rd August 2010 kaba ngingi la dawa baliban pelai naki ya MTET kanero kalau dong under consideration. Pingin stick by nakaliang jong association as per guidelines but manual work jong ka SSA. Ka SSA ka ong kumno ba yakini ki nohika SSA day bantung haki government school. No. Whereas ang ni estate jongi kumba pi omentan la shu island kumto bantung daki haki mission school, haki private school, nanta haki school chinong batunta teter. Te kata kadai manobale kata kadai ka state jongi. Nakta kata ka wanno hanika contradiction ke. Ya ka norms jong ka government of India but kalau fair part ka implementation hak state. Since it is under discussion, then nakaliang jongi patla ban to pi ke. I think after the third meeting, maybe the government official will give us Mungkin mentah nakaliang jongi hi kong it comes under one management and that is government. No comments. I bakan one swaka. The third meeting, after that kumbala, ketik ini menjadi commissioner statement. Maybe after the third meeting, nakaliang jong ka department kilapan ayaka.
Dakajing songkya halo kajing sim kabu ki barjala bandi ki jakaputa hapo kasunong badan roting hakasi balang jong katayo kaseng samlam badan roting kalalet yakandu yo chief executive member ka KHDC uba penyat sings im ban le AA persya yakajing yo alat ki barjala banthi yakijaka ban pen kenru yakameghalaya Land Transfer Act.
Kaseng samla jong kisnong madan derting ha kasau trek uno pra arajar rapusau kalale jikendu you chief executive member ka KHDC uwa peniat sing siam ban ujor halor kejingyo bani dia tiat jaka ki brek bamde ki trai jela hagani kisnong hagajing keren baru presiden kaseng samla madan derting uba Nelson Karkongor ula pentip bagane kasian ke beningkong ba kaseng samla kalap badan kum kini kejingyo bani dia tiat jaka bean de ki brek bamde ki trai jela hagani kisnong ula benrap bagane kejingwan ujor show CEM ka KHDC kalong man phashim khya ha ka KHDC bagade benle AA halor kejingyo bantiat jaka jongi gi breu gi bamde ki trai jela ha ka snong ka baha popo upod usam jong ka council namar kane gade kejing penkhen ya ka Land Transfer Act jong ka snem syajar kendai spa anyo puar
idon katu kan kali ki longiang ki hinam pentaw ko tin maba idon jilap nakalian para ba hi no se snom bitilap bagi la pen baru iba kat kum ka anji jong ka ndet ka ba rio nong tade ba ha bede ba ka megla land transfer ka regulation ba khandai ba ka khandai yuka ka chamba ka de ka jinglong di an ban thiet ka jika ni ka khandok siap ka ba ko ka jika jong travel ani tribal land ke ni pau baka kani ke jujur nakalian sini minta sin mai increment ruba nakalian do council kimi kin sim ya kata ka mentah ketiban kin baik kin ya pocket ba bagi aru ke bisa ke ba kut ke suba baka ba hokru nang ba kanya baik nanti hak video ka ji song san ka ngai ka song thau kamtam na kamta kalawe hi jongi ibrai hok ki prairie muluk maba katkum kunika ani ka long batila yak pasya di kermen ba nakane konsul ru chimkya bakila ongru ba nakle ki ila loy bania dan bertalang ini bagi baik akan luar kehidupan makin baik perman makin ya budi nika nang bang kalau dia baik dia anti mat banyo di kata Jesus ngai snow di kali kebangilap mentah kasih dari tang bakat tu ni kali bakat jingilap ni ngilap hapo snow jong ledin kasih ndrei kumba kalau ada lupa kaan ni teman ba kadadon sebelum dino po wisnong riba lumba kan jingla bumta kati nong kalong kata ka message pa umbasulong no ba 6 ai la than ki beriu bana barjala mungkin thiet jaka mungkin thiet jaka bi chongne apo karik si joni
Hashwa baginya kmi ikubor badangsa ngina phashwa shipor sekeni kijing penbana Habang inya beteng biang iki kubor ngin penken mau biang sajase ne kimat bakong san jong ko kubor mentah katayo. Rai ka kan hun menteri ban penjalan saka hendro pausnam ya kejing aiwa ya ke jaka soka. Amla khang yanu ban penyeso saka no kanu kaseng san perthai ong ba Charles Springrove. Kran Shai Dr. Mukul Sangma badali lay amlet phai shu saka sang Congress. Aipor ke HPC sashis pasni bantai pendep ya ke yang dobar thawan bathmai hamau tiang. Shongs ir ki pat ba ki shnong khapur na ke jing wantur ki hati klau ban penjulor ya ki marem. Penbana ke NPP ya ki lai poprangut ki kertong banyak kun election MDC na KHADC ban JHADC. Bat ke jing bom pendam ya ki kambalat hakatanat pulen galak ban wanra ya ke jing ma hakajalla ong Dr. Mukul Sangma. Banyale ban kenteu ya ka roi kapar bat ban pensuk ya kalet kawan jong upat ba hakse sajan jong katayo beladem UMLA ke South Shillong uba San Bor Shulai ulabu yu mau nongrim ban pentrai ya ki kampen roi hakasnong apa lomparing kabakon kandai kelur tingka tam.
Hagasngi balabu yu mau nongrim ban pentrai ki kampen roi ha apa lomparing UMLA ke South Shillong constituency uba San Bor Shulai Ulaong bahagiwai ke constituency ginong syong-syong kin haban catangan hasurok dan rubenta ban yo ke surok. Dari hakane ke constituency ginong syong-syong ki shufun bagi la yo ki kampun roi ki babon. Uba San Bor Shulai hakalai potrik unai biang arajar arpusa ulabu yu mau nongrem na kebenta benchna yak surok jat kali hawa asyeng er lum dorbar apa lum paring hapo ke skim PWD SPA arajar arpusa. Hakajeng mang pisa kabashiklor lai popralak ndrupula hajar tengka. Kasrok jat kali kabah lum dorbar apa lum paring Shillong kabalakot syagalai klur arlak prahajar tengka banchna ya ka aqueduct slab drain na apa haduk lowa lum paring Shillong apo ka skim PWD SPA arhajar apusa wa kajing mangka kabah kendai puilak ndrpui hajar tengka ban na kabenta ka skim greater lum paring additional water supply scheme kabalamang na ka skim amrut ha kajing mang kabalakot syagalai klur khatlai lak tengka UMLA ula plepat baru ya kesurok jahat kali hamadan laban kabalamang lengba ke skim PWD SPA kabalamang haka jinglot kaba shiklor nyupunyulak prapula hajar tengkah. Habakran kena ke program uba San Bor Shulai ulong bakini ki skim kan ajing mento ya berok kipat ba ke South Shillong constituency. Daga aku blai kerpang ru ikitra jaka uba San Bor Shulai ulong bakila kloy ban ayala ke jaka jungki na kebentaban pentrekam ya ki kampenroi baper hakane ke constituency.
Jing sia unu semon wan tang lada Christmas in sapi sia wan lang sia kota nia wan lang dia pli ke jimento jupi bukan long ngaru mo ngada sohun ba nio ban ai dia hospital di ke ba emergency case menurut kampen raja tu sipil sanazar layo ju semua asto lumpari burung brokoi saya kerja buat kirang buat cultural center kadang ya cha cicat mo ba saya bar iwi skim jangan ya nanta kare pan football katuru karena ya itu skim akaba mentaki kali gede di poi beha po marandawan na election department na health department programs government programs jopi nong song kalarum be lati ka pan football kabarin kan block parking no dia ke Robert Slong but ya kata syadin juga community hall pat kadun ka futsal pat ka play field pan football but ya kata community hall juga sunong ka chut aratai jaga tugin penprano di Sinano daga cultural center entah ka proportion lihat orang kerja buat te nganu biar tu urut ba roket skim lah ya tip adu pakai AI so bisa ni sa kuata ki hanjung ka sarkar ko jungi ki han maximum kini basa ki commissioner secretary chief secretary ki sa ko consultancy ko junga ka Kent Street New Kent Street Lima pipet ba tu di gino? Iya lah. Pengahi ngabdon ngabdon mo langsung ngale ngabdon dari jilek house lah berokat ngabdon dari tinggal ya. So kalau menestaru nasahin lah dong. Kalau menestaru dia warna yang ngam bisa kekuatan harar kapura kapamulu. Dong analisa suata ibu pri berdua sebelum susun konsumsi apuan cadu dan polo. Nangta segi pulit indah nang tu ispo kat sangut kin insect saya kapet juki sopo pal ke juki belum motor sih orang Indo nggak belum nggak domat ngai so juga kulit juga biayawan dia segini belum baik ada dia udah number 1 orang minister Julai hang ini kan sa kota pintu kopi biayawan number 1 marat lebih setiap Julai kan sebab semua hang tak susu kalau jadi betul susu efisien Ibrang don kam ke par orang minister orang jadi betul aja start lagi gini ya ibu play dari ibu play itu jadi im ba man kasih ujung
Hakasan terek uno opera Arhajar Arpusau, UMLA ke South Shillong Constituency, Ubasan Borsulai. Rengkat bagi nong ilam shnong, ki sports club bagi officer nak tenat forest. Kilalit jure bagi shnong mensan, apa lomparing, nak benta bensinai ke sports stadium ke papaka, hakajaka ke badan lai akar. Ubasan Borsulai ulong bagi jing temu jang jing jurep kalong bensinai ke sports stadium, ke ban kentup bagi jingil akai ki babunjat. Ke ban kentup bagi jaka jingi, ke jaka akai athletics, basketball, volleyball, bat kibai-kibai. Ulih tu uru bakarat kan se bujli no ekajaka-jaka baka tenat forest, banyak ekajaka mencinai ke stadium. Ban hadian bala pendep ikan dengan kam, ansapen kre apat eka detailed project report, ban penyo eka pisah ban sedang traino, ya kan ya kejing syenal.
Nama kena kemadan kicu pi kada kadi kaba naru kipor bersuang yo ke forest kalau ngebayel kebarit bayel tang nyung. Te lagi ladon kejing ya jumut naru mencim stem te bangin ya penhe ban pan biang naga forest ban penong naga standard ground dengan jaka ban kiwi facilities ke ban incorporate akan ban include akan naga standard ground ke bandon naga volleyball swimming pool ke basketball kumolong kiwi state akan northeast pada pouring dia oi te nga sobra ingu subune ya boro ar naga le dorbar snong ko jelam pa bolet naga dorbar snong jelam sports club jelam ba ya ini pro ki dot kot jong ki committees ki jong ki sing thai sing samla te bagi le ki long ki ba pet jingai ki ba start ki ba long far sighted aga ba layaron ke je pen bet hanga ko mo MLA ke ki la so ya kan ba ladun kam ngar wala ai ke jing pular ba ngiyak persang ban ya pen ban ban kerpat ya ke forest department ba ke government ke jongi ba ngilawan ka new proposal lan ka kebatmai ka jing ai jingbot ka ba ya ka jaka forest daga daman bol ngipan lai akar but ngin replace ngin ai pat yaki khatsan akar ya ka forest kan ai yangi lai akar but nagaliang jong ka dorbar snong ngin ai sa ka forest kabut sansya khatsan akar te hadin juga tu bagi layapan kre ya ki dokumen ki map ki plan baru khoi ta dang gini sigi ngilayo ban bu appointment bu chief minister honorable Conrad Sangma bolong in charge of forest department but hadin benglaya kendu ngilay lang mga dorbar song sport club sing samla sing ngai gumtu ngilay ya kamra jongu but hadin benglaya pencai putu le nakaliang jongu lalong impress ha ulah dokumen nomor ba ke proposal kalong ba give and take give and take, give us only 3 akar, we are giving you 15 akar kalong 5 times bigger. Te lalu improve not immediately ko balai report di ba ya ini ba borit mentan ba wood hi ula pun yo hedu yo Mr. Ready belum principal chief conservator of forest ban bu ingin inspection ban mentasi la bu ini inspection bagi don lang nilai tip bukan betul tenaga yang jangka ki official jangka forest department kin yarap yangi bakin state yang akam ban poi report kerang ba hang tu ngini saya song meeting biang very soon nagaliang siam usok hot no very soon ga meeting bagi song bangin ya pdia cakmat but ula so komen nagaliang do chief minister bang so banangu yo burom yo chief minister bola sim immediate action mo immediate action so yangi ini nong kit kambar sawe bolong impress bola sunat pelat kalau ba uang ang perjuang so ke ba ki organisation ki committee ki wan pantang la yakar ki ai pat ki nai kelab ni kharsan akar takam kalong ki ke ba bolong positive pat ngin layo e jaka then only ngin sa step in bar bagi saya song join meeting ngin sa play ka DPR kumungile ki wiki scheme kiladon daga liang jongi ko ka party ki jongi kiladon ki
consultant ki bonon Delhi atau kapol step in kinsa prepare ya DPR kat kan ka bagila ba accommodate ya ki sport activities agada ka kaban long ka standard ground ko football ka athletic field futsal kanon ka swimming pool kanon ka basketball ka court kanon ka volleyball court badminton court te ka archery but ki di activities ki long ki gym ru kin don lang ne ban le kai gym te kadon ko swimming pool ru haba ki temen ki kroy khulung khna ki ban kila ban kalong ka way ni ki dawai ki sports ki ban diarap ru ya ko ka kia te kan ka ka great achievement na kaleng jong boro artli committee de ko dor war show sports club sengdei seng samla ban nga ko mu MLA jong ki ko nongelam bala ay jong kular ngan yalam ya ki ba benta bangin let bani apa bangin ya ut ya nam pat saka la dari bangin poisadu Delhi lengbak recommendation jong chief minister bagin approach namar melalat hi ya major scheme ngi hap hiban pani ke ya proposal naga sports department government of India Port Delhi through the recommendation of the state government.
Ban penting kena baka jing temu ban penlong ya kejing sang presbytery da kabalang Presbyterian Sidon bat kejing rakhe ya kejing dap arposan snem karib hoi sepngi presbytery kan long ka bajam Hakasi balang jong katayo UMLA ke Umsning constituency u Dr. Celestine Lingdo ula penti kena balamang R. Nriu San Klur Tingka ban maramot ya ke surok shenong ke badan san kilometer.
Hapedeng ke jingpen krek jong kabalang Presbyterian Sidon ban pedang ya ke presbytery bat komjuru ban rakhe ke jingdap arpusan snem lani ke jubili rupa jong karibhoi sepngi presbytery. Hak sautrik uno opera arajar arpusau nagaliang UMLA ke Umsning u Dr. Celestine Lingdo uli kenduk markmat bagi nongkit kam shnong hakaba ula penti kenai ke jingmang bisa kaba R. Nriu San Klur Tengka na kebentaban maramot ke surok shnong ke badan san kilometer. Ya geni ke jingirap ban penbahai ke surok UMLA ke Umsning ula yok ban pensengau ha ke jingilang lengkot ke belalong ha geni ke sengi. Ha ke ofis terika murang ba shnong ke Saidan ha ke balaidon rengkat langru uba M perbot EE ke PWD nongpo ba Evansis Jones mertong secretary shnong Saidan lembat kinong ilam shnong. Habakran nagaliang UMLA u Dr. Celestine Lingdo uloang bahadian ke jingwan ban pensengau ke jing da kinong ilam shnong. Lor ke jing pen krek jengki ya ke jing seng ke ban salong ha ke senam ke banwan. Kumunong mi kemat jeng ni kathan udan ke bentak bakrau banerap ban penyo ya ke ni ke jing angnut jeng kinong ilam shnong. Kam tam ha ke bedai bat ke surok shnong. Bedon kam aswa ban pediang ya ke ni ke jing seng he. U Dr. Celestine Lingdo uloang bagani ke shnong ke don kam ke ni surok om tang namar ke jingwan jeng ni ke jing seng. Mereka don kam shisha bani ke surok hakikat tu ke ni ke benta jeng ni ke shnong. Shosho uli itu bahalor ke jingdan kam nakaliang jong ula dak ban pensengau sha sembut menteri rang ba ke jela ubdai ru menteri beri kemi ya ke kam surok. Ban nakaliang menteri ru ula batha ban nang sedang no ekakam ban pentre ya ke surok. Habakran pat nakaliang kinong ilam shnong kila penpau ke jing sngongo UMLA ke Umsning bat komjoru sembut menteri rang ba ke jela. Badai leng ba ke jing trish tom jengki bagane ke jing angnut bani ke surok hasyawan pedang ya ke jing seng kalau urlong mentah.
Dia kajing kendu jonga bat ka shnong ka thau kila pensngau ya kajing don kam ka jongki nam ta ka surok hane apo ka shnong Saidan kam tam bagandon kane ka presbytery bat ka taru along ka silver jubilee jong ka presbytery ka bansalong hane apo shnong lada kam don kata ka jing sengru kane ka shnong kala don kam kirki ban maramot bat ban yo katto kat ne ki bentah surok thamai hane apo ka shnong Pengilaya ai ka proposal ngalabuddin bat u deputy chief minister in charge ya ka PWD ti ila ai ka jingkerman ba ia ka ni ka jingtrai la bandang sedang menteri no syakmat ka total leng jong ka surok bat ka resurfacing bat ki bentai ba hable thumai ka total leng kan poi 1 kilometer ti ka estimate amount ka ba la penkre na kamanta kane kalong kumba arklur nrupusan lak di nakadaw ba kajing seng kalalong hatbin di haswa ba ki work order gini kita ikin meet la ai bor ban sedang no ya kane kajing tre di ngadap da kajing kemen ba ki officer napo ka PWD nompo division executive engineer assistant executive engineer bat kiwi ki staff ki don rengkat bat ni bat kin selai visit ya ka site naga 1 kilometer ke bamanga ngaong ke benta ke badon kam kirki na ke benta ka ne ke jingiseng and sa shim shwa. Let's say ar kilometer tam. But baro kata kas total san kilometer and pendep buat la kut kajing eseng ro kajing teri kan peteng man pendep ya kata kabasa.
Kajala Meghalaya hakala sing ublay jong katayo kala penlong ya kajing rakhi ya ke World AIDS Day arhajar arpausau. Bat hakan ni kasngi la pensung tu ikipat ba syapang kajing ma jong kenyang jingpang HIV AIDS. Ya kan ni kajing rakhi la penlong ha SRGT parking lot Polo Shillong bat hayang dorbar jong kasnong Laban Saro ha Umroi Ribhoi district.
Kum shibenta ban pazuto padba halo kajing ma jong kenyang jingpang HIV bat ke AIDS ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society rengkat kajing trailang ba katanat ka kakya ka sarkar Meghalaya. Kala rakhi ka World AIDS Day arhajar arpusau ha ka SRGT parking lot Polo Shillong. Ha kajing dan lang Commissioner Secretary katanat ka kakya Ujuram Beda kum kongsan nang ta UTG Moment Joint Secretary katanat ka kakya Dr. W. Langste, Project Director ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society Shillong, kikena school bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran na kaning ngi nagalang Commissioner Secretary katanat ka kakya ulong, baman ka sinem na jupenlong ya kaning program, bat kalong ban penpriang ya kajing tip, lor kajing ma jok yang jingpang HIV. Baman ay kajing hikay ni kabanta manada na kaning jingpang. Ulong ba kalong badan kam man pikir ila dia nunu kunyang, bat kumjo ban kershan ru ikibreu kibaem bat nunu kunyang. Ula kedau bahaga jela nak kalian ke sarkar kelabo ya ki ICTC Center bat kumjo iki caka sumar ki ba om dan kam bansiu bag sarkar kanang penbahas susu iki ni caka sumar hagan ni gesngi la samru iki kusnam shik samla ibleshim bata ki jing kop drodor poster bat ke jing shendur Ka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society lengba ke District Integrated Strategy for HIV AIDS. Da ke jingis no aktilang bat ka Office of District Medical and Health Officer ke Riboy, ha ka arterik no apra arajar arpusau kalau penlong ya ke jing rake ya ke World AIDS Day. Ya ke bala penlong ha yang dorbar jong ka Laban Saro ha Umroi. Ya ke World AIDS Day la jurake man laga senam hakalang ke perthai ha ke shitrik no apra. Reina marbaga ha bakasing ublay kumta ya kene kejiraki ha Laban Saro la penlong ha ka arterik no opera. Ya kene program manrake ke World AIDS Day la penlong halor kamat pedeng take the rights path. Bat la penlong kerpang ru benajing pensyai halor kane kajingpang bat gilat jingada. Lawan manishim benta kene kesingi do ba daman bat lamaria MLA ko Umroi constituency kum kongsan rengkat kejingidon lang u ba ar karbuki MDC ko Umroi Dr. A. Kardut, District Medical and Health Officer, Dr. E. Kalwing, District AIDS Control Officer, bat kiwe-kiwe. Habakran yang kenegasngi Dr. E. Kalwing iliyat huwa, halo kejing non kam jigiru pat ba banwan cakamat, ban ay kejing trilang, kenang ban la ban syim ikilat jing sumar. Iliyat huwa rubah ke District Riboy kidan palat nrus pa nrup saungut, kiba don kejing ja badan yunuk kenyang jingpang. Bat saus pa atam mentah kenang don, hapu kejing sumar. Ila kerpat ya baro ba kinuan cakamat ban pak sumar la dia ban lat kejing sepriang ba kejing ma ya kibai pa uba daman bat lamare ulai kejing rok ke bakrau ya ke Meghalaya AIDS Control Society ke belami cakamat ban rake kene ngasi bekerpang bat kumjuru ban ai jing pensyai ya kilat jing sumar kejing pang HIV AIDS ulapan pauru bawa la kejing trishtom jek nak terikam sarkar ban rat dengkong ki babun kejing pang Nrei kejing mamsim kia kiri upat ba man cakamat ban ai kejing trilang kalong ke IKA kaba penduk mensiam. Kum tahu lekan tu kiri upat ba kem dei ban sngop her dia ban dan kano kejing tiang. Nrei ban cakamat ban pendap ya kejing sumar ke bakongsan.
Turis sumar sendong ya ka khen cor ya na ki jing qua brai ki bas New York kalap ya ni long nuk saya ki we ya ra ben ilenti tu yen yen scan yen ha nong rem ka jing shi sha it not ki jing lin bas New scan holiday terus dang na la ren pe long nuk sa ba ya ki we kot ka kya baran kan jing men ha ka im lang sa la
Kum shibanta ban long lupa ka bapen kre ban sai kinung ilaka ki batbin ban shimbanta ha ka Meghalaya Games ka Henriu ka ban salong hajawai West Janta Hills ka Ribhoi District Sports Association RBDSA ka lapenlong ya ka trial kam selection ka ba arsngi ha ka madan ilaka jong ka raj marngar ha ka sngi pale jong ka tayo ban sai kinung ilaka ki badon sap
Inong ilam ke Ribhoi District Sports Association yanang penkrea bansai kirang bekte lakai ke banmi kemat ke District Ribhoi syaka Meghalaya Games ke Henriu ke banselong Shan Hajawai. Harga balapan tikena ba ka Ribhoi District Sports Association kan say yikirang bat githe lakai banyakon ya kejingya kop lakai athletics, football, archery bat ke swimming. Ya kini kejung penkrea bansai kirang bekte lakai lapan long lang ba ka trial kam selection ke banya arsngi harga madan lakai jong raj marngar. Lawan man Ayman CM yakini ginong ilakai hakana ka trial da Ferdinand Kharkamni President ka KSU North Khasi Hills District uba RB Shadap President ka Ribhoi District Sports Association nalor kiwe gire orang ba bat kinong yalam jogene ka association. Uba RB Shadap kumunong yalam jogene ka Ribhoi District Sports Association ulapan pa wikijing kemen bat gijing snow scam bakum kesunjuk ilakai na ka District Ribhoi kan la bansai ya kirang bat kita ilakai ke ban mi kemat ke distrik Syakarensan jang ke Meghalaya Games ke ban Salong-Shen. Haga ba ansajit kumba kat sangut kishenrang bat kentai ban shib mentah haga jengkop athletics nalor kiwe ban mi kemat ya kiwe pat kijat jengyakop. Ule pente bro bahag ni kenti ka distrik lengba ke Ribhoi District Sports Association kadap da gejing kemen ban pen bena bahag sian ke beningkong kan yo shib mentah haga jengyakop jingya jingi. Haga balada ban jet ru kinong shib mentah hakini kikin diap sini.
Long ya kena trial kom selection nak benda kini kena athletes jongka RBDSA kiban baik ban simbenta akan ke 6 Meghalaya Games ban long Hawaii jer bat ngi la pendap ru apok jong kini ki sngi beladap ya ka swimming hang teh po trail fun pack hang teh po umtro hang teh ngilayo ya ki swimmer kinong jingi ti babun hi ki samla chanrang kan thek laiwan bat mata kasnem kali kasin menengkong ke ba nagaliang jongka Ribhoi District Sport Association ngi simbenta haka jingi dei bat swimming ru te haka jingi dei bat ka archery ru ngi mata kasnem nagaliang jongka RBDSA ngi simbenta bat ka practice ya kene ka kam ngi senang penlong hapo ini sini bat kumjuru ngi la pendap ya kene ka trial kom selection ya ke football nak menta ki kentai bat senrang hapok madan nong jiri te hapdeng jong gini kijing penkre ngidon sisa kijing ki babun mangi kendo kamtam kijing penkre ki madan ki babiang nyemdan nangta kitiar ban pen don kam hakini ki jingi simenta jong ki ringindan te kini ki long ki dau ki ba ka RBDSA ka don haklenti ke ba ngihap man perkhat kumno man penbiang ya kini ki jingdon kam ka football ka archery ka nangta kani ka swimming bat kani ka atletik kita gede ki disiplin ki ba mengi ka RBDSA ngisim ta kasnam ban ngi kmilenti ba ngin sa la ban bat biang ya ka ju proportion ko mengibat hak di kisnam ka lalai ka RBDSA hak jisha ngila persyang lagi kisnam ki bakaman suaru Indrei ni don sibun ki jeng hak jeng peniat ya kini ki disiplin baper Indrei mentah po ini ki kinet snam rengkat da jeng ai ki jeng trelang jong kini ki dekat ki badon hapo jongka ni sotana sibun menyatu ba ka RBDSA kamde ke jeng la jong wei breu Indrei ke jeng la lang jong ibaro nginam la ban peniat ya ki kam klem ke jeng trelang nakaliang jong dekat Diban peniai ia gini ki jing la kai na do football ke archery ke swimming nang tabat ke atletik kam de ka kam ka ba rit ke kam ko krau idon kam ya ka bor ke sor ban kam tam le ha ke jing lu jing step do ha ke jing de bat kaneka trial and com selection ke bangilong man ta kesngi kini man ta kin le asngi bat hadin jong kini kan don pedesa ke practice ya kini ke athletes na kini kibuan man takas ni hang ni kilajan pol kumachis pangut ieng ten na kini ngin yo man patang khat tang kumbalai phongon khatsan na kaliang jong kentei khatsan na kaliang jong sinrang de kibabun na kile sem takas ni bapli kinom yo man lei namar ngin pej ru ya kibabit tam ngin pha saka Meghalaya Games ka football kumju kiwe kini ki disiplin kumju bat ha ka bakhadu ngiladon kar komperkhan ba namar ba kari boy district sport association kari ka kimi jong kini ki disiplin barok te ngin sa khot ya ka jingalang ya kini ki disiplin barok bedan hapo jong ka district namar bang imi sya ka Meghalaya Games ka ki itu ya ka district level ding menta ngin haban lum ya ka ne ji kendu hapadeng jong ki disiplin baper ndei tangki benik badon hapo jong ka RBDSA dengi mut bandai kendu ya UDSO bat kumjuru ya deputy commissioner mengini ya so jembut bat ki bakin khot kawe ke jingalang ha ka bagi disiplin baro kini don lang ha swab ngin election minta sya ka Meghalaya Games
Te paralok da kitu ki kubor ngila poi shika bakut jonga tup kubor jongi menta kata yo ngin se shambyang bat pi la sham ta yo kublai shipun